In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show screen sharing in Webex. To get started, open the Webex app and make sure you're already inside a meeting. Screen sharing controls only appear when you're actively in a call or meeting, so this is the first thing to check before moving on. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the control bar near the bottom of the window. This is where Webex keeps the main meeting tools, including audio, video, and sharing options. From there, click on Share. This opens the sharing panel, where Webex gives you a few different ways to present content. If you want to share everything happening on your display, choose your screen, and then click on the screen option. This is usually the best choice when you want other people to see everything you're doing, including switching between windows or showing multiple items during your presentation. If you use more than one monitor, Webex may show your second or even third screen as separate options. In that case, simply choose the exact screen you want to present. This is helpful if you want to keep notes or meeting controls on one display while only sharing the other display with participants. You may also see the option to share a specific app instead of your entire screen. That can be useful when you only want viewers to see one program and nothing else on your desktop. Whether you choose a full screen or a single app, the process is the same. Select the one you want, then click Share to begin presenting. Once you've done that, your selected screen will be visible to everyone in the meeting. As a quick tip, before you start sharing, it's a good idea to close anything private or unnecessary so your presentation looks clean and focused. And that's how to show screen sharing in Webex.